Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's news update for April 9th, 2026. I hope you're doing well. Let's take a look at the most important news today in a simple and clear way. Starting with India, the government is keeping a close watch on the economy, especially as global oil prices continue to rise. When oil prices increase, it affects transportation, food costs, and daily expenses. Because of this, people may feel an increase in the cost of living. However, officials have said that there is no immediate risk to the economy. They are planning to manage spending carefully. At the same time, the government is continuing development projects like roads, railways, and urban infrastructure. These projects are important because they create jobs and support long-term growth. Now moving to business news. Indian stock markets showed mixed performance today. Some sectors, like banking and technology, performed well, while others faced slight declines. This is mainly because of global uncertainty, and investors are being more careful with their decisions. Experts say that the market may remain unstable in the short term, but long-term growth is still expected. Now let's look at world news. Tensions in the Middle East are still high, and this is affecting global oil supply. As a result, oil prices remain unstable. Many countries depend on imported oil, so rising prices can create pressure on their economies. Governments are trying to manage the situation and are also looking for alternative energy solutions. This situation is being closely watched around the world. In technology news, artificial intelligence is growing very fast, and many companies are now using AI tools in their daily operations. AI is helping businesses improve efficiency and reduce manual work. At the same time, experts say people need to learn new skills to stay updated with changing technology. AI is expected to play a major role in the future in areas like education, healthcare, and business. Now let's talk about education. Online learning is becoming more popular, especially among students and job seekers. People are learning skills like coding, communication, and professional development courses. This is helping many individuals improve their careers and find better opportunities. Education is becoming more flexible and accessible to everyone. In health news, doctors are raising concerns about stress and lifestyle problems, especially among young people. Many people are not getting enough sleep and are spending too much time on screens. This can affect both physical and mental health. Experts suggest maintaining a healthy routine, including proper sleep, regular exercise, and balanced food. Taking small steps daily can improve overall health. Finally, let's talk about the environment. Climate change continues to be a major global issue. Countries are working together to reduce pollution and promote clean energy, like solar and wind power. People are also becoming more aware about protecting nature. Simple actions like saving water, reducing plastic use, and planting trees can help protect the environment. So, these were the important updates for today, April 9th, 2026. I hope this helped you stay informed and also improve your English. Thank you for listening. Keep learning, keep improving, and have a great day. Don't forget to follow MG Programmers for daily news and English learning content.